So, hello students. Today we are going to learn part 3 of chapter number 18, that is exponents and powers. Okay. In the previous class we have learned some examples based on this topic. Now today in this period or in this class also we are going to solve some more examples. Okay. Now let us start with our first example. Now here it is given that express the following as the product of powers of their prime factors. It means that whatever number will be there. For example, now we have a number that is 900. Now first we have to factorize this one and then we have to express the factors as powers. Okay, so let us start it. Now for representing the prime or for finding the prime factors of 900, let us solve it in this way. Okay, so now we have written here 900 in our regular form. Now let us start go on dividing it. So 2 450s are 2 225s are. Now further this 225 is not divisible by 2, so we will divide it by 3. Okay, so 3 75s are 350 25s are. Now this 25 is not divisible by 3, so we will divide it by 5. Okay, so 5 5s are and finally 5 1s are. So now these all numbers are nothing but what? Prime factors of 900. Now next step, therefore, now what we will do? We will write this all factors as multiplication. Okay, so 900 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now we want to write this number in terms of powers. Okay, so what we will do? We will check that 2 is how many times? 2 times. 3 is 2 times. 5 is 2 times. Okay, so now next step, what we will do? Now this 2 into 2 can be written as 2 raised to 2. 3 is multiplying 2 times, so it can be written as 3 raised to 2. 5 is multiplying 2 times, so it can be written as a 5 raised to 2. So this is our final answer, that is 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 2. So here we have represented 900 as the product of their prime factors. Okay, let us see next example now. Now here it is given that simplify the following. So we have minus 3 square into minus 2 raised to 3. Now we have to write this one in simple form, that is there should be no powers. Okay, so what we will do now, minus 3 raised to 2 means minus 3 is multiplying 2 times, so that we have written here minus 2 raised to 3 means minus 2 is multiplying 3 times. Now what we will do, these both are minus 3, so we will multiply it. So minus 3 into minus 3 will become 9 into, now minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 will become minus 8. Okay, now just to multiply these numbers. So first multiply this sign, plus into minus opposite signs are there, so our number will be negative, and 8 times are 72. Now let us see our next example. Now here we have evaluate the following. Evaluate means we have to find the value of this one. Okay, so here we have 7 raised to 4 minus 5 raised to 3. Now 7 raised to 4 means we have to multiply 7 4 times. Okay, so that we have written here. 5 raised to 3 means we have to multiply 5 3 times. Okay, now when we multiply these all numbers and this all, we get in next step as 7 when multiplied 4 times, we get it as 2401, minus sign as it is. 5 when multiplied 3 times, we get it as 125. Okay, then now next step, our regular subtraction. So 2401 minus 125, so our answer will be 2276. Okay, now next example. Now here it is given that find the value of x. Okay, when, now first example, minus 3 raised to x is equal to minus 243. Now we have to find the value of this x, that is this power. Okay, now here it is given in terms of power. So what we will do, we will represent this number also in terms of power. To represent this number in terms of power, first we have to find its prime factors. Okay, so let us find its prime factors. So here we have written 243. Now this 243 is not divisible by 2, so we will first divide it by 3. Now 3 how much are? So we get it as 381 are. Again 3 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. Okay, so here what we have done, we have factorized this 243 in this way. Okay, now here a minus sign is written, so every factor will have negative sign. Okay, so what we will get, so now in next step what we are going to get, now this 243 minus 243 can be written as minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. So minus 3 is how many times? 5 times. So we will write it as minus 3x equals to minus 3 raised to 5. Why this 5? Because 3 is multiplying itself 5 times. Now if you look at both the sides, okay, it can be seen that base are same. Okay, so since the base are equal, we can write the powers also equal. Okay, so what do we get? Therefore x equals to 5. Okay, and this is our final answer. Okay, so this much is enough for today. Hope you all must have understood up till here. Thank you. Have a nice day.